Hey, good morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing great today. So I just wanted to make a small video on how to play the new Hytale pre-release. If you're like me and you're actually waiting for the new content drop later this week to arrive on the live servers, maybe you don't want to wait either and you really want to get testing and find all the new stuff, well, wait no more. All you gotta do now is open the game, click on the little cog that you have right here on the top left, click on the patch line and select pre-release. You will not be able to play the previous versions, unfortunately. So you will only be able to play the next patch. But that's okay, because you know that's what we want. We want the good shit. We want the crispy stuff. So as soon as you have finished this, you should be prompted to download. I won't have it because I've already downloaded it myself. But you can always just make sure it is selected here. Press play. And as soon as your game open, you should be ready to go. You should be ready to go. Now you know you will have done the right thing when you boot up the game. It will be said here pre-release patch line. You are running a pre-release patch on the Hytale. This version may contain experiment feature or bugs. Your feedback help us to improve the game. So yeah, that's all you got to do. Then now you can just boot up your world and start doing whatever you want to do on this pre-release. And of course, if you find a bunch of bugs, you can just give some feedback right there. It helps the team tremendously, and you know how it is. So if that video helped you, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys very soon for a new video.